Are you feeling worried by fear? Let's explore how you can turn your fear into strength. Are you feeling worried by fear? Let's explore how you can turn your fears into strength. Fear is a natural emotion, yet it often holds us back from taking action. In Islam, fear is acknowledged and we are taught how to manage it. The journey to becoming fear begins with faith and action. Fear is not just a momentary feeling, it's a silent shadow that follows us in love, in faith, and in how we look at the world. It creeps in, whispering questions about tomorrow, about those we love, and about everything happening around us. And for many, especially in a world growing more uncertain, it's not just fear. It's paralyzing. It hurts the soul and holds back action. But within Islam lies a deep well of wisdom path that does not ignore fear, but guides us through it. Because the answer is not to pretend fear is not there, it's to face it and turn it into strength. In the pages of the Quran, Allah reminds us fear is not a flaw. It's part of being human, and with that truth comes His mercy. So rather than sitting in silence, we are taught to move, to transform fear into fuel for prayer, for deeds, for change, because fear feeds on what we do not know. But Islam tells us act on what you do know. Pray, serve, learn. That's how you take your power back. And through this framework of faith, we are shown how to hold on to peace even when the storm rages outside. Real strength does not come from within us alone, it comes from letting go and holding tight to Allah. When you truly rely on Him, fear does not vanish, but it no longer controls you. You walk ahead with faith as your shield. Every time you act in faith, you weaken fear's grip. With every prayer, every step to help another, you rise above it. What's powerful is this: fear and hope, they are not enemies. They come from the same root of our life, belief that Allah is in control. And when hope stands beside fear, something beautiful happens. Despair loses and trust takes its place. So let us grow courage, not just feel brave, but live it. It is courage that lights the dark, that gives us the will to act when it's hardest. Look at those who endured oppression and still stood tall. Their courage becomes a mirror for our own reflection. And as we rise above our own fears, we become light for those still in the dark. Don't let fear control you. Use it as a stepping stone to grow in faith. By trusting in Allah, you can find peace and strength in the face of uncertainty. Embrace courage, take action, and let your faith be your guiding light.